Hi, it's Nick with a 60-second wine review of the Viña Tarapacá Gran Reserva Cabernet Sauvignon. I am a big fan of Chilean wine, and the Tarapaca Cabernet is a great example of why I love the country so much. When you smell the wine, you get big, ripe, black fruit flavors, just like you would with a Napa Cabernet. Absolutely delicious. And then when you have it in your mouth, you get more of a medium-bodied wine with herb and tobacco notes and fine-grade tannins, more like a red Bordeaux. This wine is a perfect combination of both the old world and the new world, something that Chilean wine seems to do effortlessly. Just to note, there is 10% Syrah blended in with the Cabernet, which gives it some of those rich, smooth fruit flavors. I'd pair this wine with grilled beef, barbecue pork, or a rich stew. Really, you can just drink it on its own too. It's great that way. If you've never tried a Chilean Cabernet, this is a great bottle to start off with. 92 points, James Suckling, too. Thanks for watching. We'll be back soon with another review.